Understanding out in the cold, an English phrase explored. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, out in the cold. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we explore its definition, usage, and history to help you master it in no time. The phrase, out in the cold, metaphorically means being excluded, neglected, or left out of a group or situation. It paints a vivid picture of someone being outside in cold weather, symbolizing isolation or lack of inclusion. This expression can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments, highlighting feelings of abandonment or exclusion. To understand how out in the cold is used in everyday language, let's look at some examples. Social situations. After moving to a new city, I felt out in the cold until I made some friends. Workplace context. When the team went out for lunch and didn't invite me, I felt left out in the cold. Politics and society. Minority groups often feel out in the cold when policies do not represent their interests. These examples show how the phrase can express emotional states of feeling ignored, abandoned, or excluded in various scenarios. While the exact origin of out in the cold is hard to pinpoint, it's clear that the phrase draws on the physical discomfort of being in cold weather to represent emotional or social exclusion. This metaphorical use of temperature to express inclusion or exclusion is common in many languages, reflecting a universal human experience. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning of out in the cold. Understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and helps you express complex emotions and situations more accurately. We hope this video has warmed your understanding and brought you in from the cold of confusion. Remember, language learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. See you in our next video.